Hey guys, what's going on? This is STG. Welcome back to another episode. On this episode, we're going to be doing my PCGS unboxing. So a couple months ago, I sent some coins away to PCGS, 12 coins in total. I was going to send a Panda gold coin that I had. Unfortunately, for foreign coins, it was a whole separate process, kind of hectic and complicated, so I decided against having that coin graded at this time. I've had a lot of trouble with this order, guys. I had to contact customer support and remain on hold for over 4 hours, guys, until I talked to someone. Their customer service was horrendous. I called their automated system and was put in a queue. They told me they would call me back, I believe within a day or so, and I did not receive a call from them. I waited over a week. Then I was called them up, and as I said, I had to wait over 4 hours to talk to someone regarding an issue. Because of the inflexibility of their website, I was unable to choose the proper grading features for my coins. So they give you a voucher. I got out a voucher for 8 coins to be graded. Now I had already used 2 of them, and for some reason they didn't update that to reflect that I only had 6 left. So it indicated there were 8 free vouchers left. Now I did not want to select 8 vouchers for all of them because I only had 6 left, and 6 I would have to pay for instead of 8. So they emailed me in reference to those 2 other ones that I had to pay for, which I knew, and I tried contacting them to begin with. Okay, so that's why I, as the customer who was calling about their mistake, had to wait 4 hours to talk to them to correct their mistake, guys. I am not happy with their customer service. Once the issue was corrected and I paid for the 2 additional grades, they still emailed me and harassed me and said that I owed money, which was not true. So I am kind of fed up with PCGS, guys. I don't want to use PCGS anymore for grading. As soon as my membership expires with them, it will not be renewed. Unfortunately, I've done a lot of business with PCGS and they're losing a valuable customer. But if this is the way that they're going to treat their customers, then I do not want any part of it, guys. I'm sorry. In my opinion, customer service should be any business's first priority. That's just my opinion. So guys, instead, I'm going to be using NGC going forward. I hope to have the Proof, Morgan, and Peace Towers graded with NGC in the near future. Unfortunately, PCGS also did not give me the first strike designation, although I did send in my coins in time. I am not happy with that either. So overall, I did not have a good experience with PCGS's customer service. However, as far as the grading results are concerned, I did have a somewhat good experience. So guys, let's get into it. So I'm gonna put a link in the description for my prior video where I showed which coins I would be grading. So guys, for the first coin, we're gonna go through my Pre-33 gold that I had graded. So initially, I have the 1854 Type 1 $1 gold coin, and in that video, I said it would grade at an AU 53. I was playing it a bit safe, and guys, to my surprise, it graded an AU 55. So I'm quite happy. I was able to get a really good grade for this coin. I believe I paid around $150 for this coin, and if I were to sell it maybe on eBay, it would probably go for around $300 to $330, I'm guessing. So I did quite well on that coin. The next coin is the Double Eagle from 1900. I had another Double Eagle Liberty in MS61. I compared it to this one, and I had given it a assumed grade of MS63. And guys, I was able to get a MS62. Not exactly the grade I wanted. However, it is really nice. I knew when I saw the coin that it was in BU condition. Originally, I had been told that it was cleaned when I was buying it. I knew it wasn't cleaned, and I'm very fortunate to have gotten this. I paid $1,900, and I believe if I were to try to sell it in the open market, I could probably get about $2,200 for it. So not bad. The next coin is the 1915 San Francisco Panama Pacific $1 gold coin. In the prior video, I gave it a grade of 58. And guys, the coin actually did grade at a 58. So I was right on target. Really nice coin. On one sense, I do wish it was a bit higher grade. On the other, I am happy it's straight graded, and it was at least a 58. So that coin is probably worth about what I paid. I believe I paid approximately $460, and it is worth approximately that if I try to sell it on the open market. Lastly, for my gold, I have the 1926 250 Indian. Now that coin I seriously thought would be cleaned. I didn't think it was straight grade, guys, and to my astonishment, it actually graded an MS63. So these infused Indian coins are very hard to grade. I am no expert when it comes to these, as you guys can clearly see. So I'm quite happy. I believe I paid around $525. And I think if I were to sell it in the open market, maybe it would go for about $625, so not bad. And guys, we're gonna get into the silver Morgan and Peace dollars. I have the ONCC Privy Mark Morgan dollars from 2021. So guys, in the last video, I thought they would both grade at about an MS69. And guys, to my surprise, I got it graded at a 70 for the O. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Lovely coin. I did point out some what I thought were little pings or scratches on the coins that would affect the grade. I don't know what some of these coin graders are smoking, but I don't think some of these should have been graded a 70. And guys, this one was also graded a 70. So I'm quite happy, and I believe I paid around $225 each for these. I believe the O Privy Mark is probably selling for that, while the CC Privy Mark might be going for a bit more than that. I believe they're going for at least $100 more to $150 more than that right now. So I feel that I got a really good deal on that coin. And guys, last but not least, I got the 2023 Morgan and Peace dollars. So I thought some of them would probably grade, actually I thought all of them would probably grade MS70, and to my surprise, they actually all did grade an MS70. So I am very fortunate that I have 3 2023 Morgan dollars that graded a perfect 70, as well as 3 Peace dollars that graded an MS70. So very fortunate, guys, and these are probably worth what I got into them. I paid the initial, I believe it was around $80, 85, somewhere around there for these, as well as approximately $40 in grading. If you do include the fees I paid for grading these and not the free ones. So in total, I have around $125 into these. and these are probably going for about that right now on eBay. So overall, guys, I feel I made a good investment in most of these. I feel that these Morgan and Peace Towers are only gonna go up in value in the future. Again, I am not happy that they did not put the first strike designation, as I did send these in the amount of time that they required it to be graded first strike. I am somewhat disappointed. And that's it for now, guys. I was gonna do a giveaway related to these. I decided against it because I feel that if there is a tie, or there are people who only come to my channel who are here for the giveaways, it's not fair to people who actually do watch my channel, even if they don't necessarily comment. I am also going to be doing a 1K giveaway really soon, guys. I'm currently approaching 1K, and I hope to do that hopefully within the next month or so. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and as always, stack that gold.